Hi, Brian here, Cars Tillsonburg. I'm here with our freshly painted frame. We just got it back from the sandblaster yesterday. It's a local business that we use here. They're professionals in what they do. It's called Lone Star Welding in Cortland. We trusted them with this project. They blast the frame right to bare metal. They epoxy primer it after it's all done. And another point that you don't know and realize until you've tried to do this project yourself is that they blow the frame all out after they're done sandblasting. Like there's places all over here that sand can get in and then come back out later, especially when you're painting, but they blow it all out, epoxy primer it, then they put this really nice hard shiny paint on that lasts a long time, has a really nice shine to it, and this makes so much nicer of a project when it's done like this. Then what we'll do now is Brandon will take all the old suspension parts out. We have all new suspension ball joints, tie rod ends. A project of this magnitude, we just don't trust anything. We just put it in new, and then it just starts out fresh. So this will be like a brand new car when we're done. So he will put new springs, shocks. We'll prep the chassis with detail, brake lines, and we'll have it all ready. Engine dropped in, and then we'll drop the body on and do some trial fitting because Pat's working along on the floor, and we're almost to that point now where he will set it on here and make sure everything's lining up. So things are moving forward fast here, and we're looking forward to keeping you in the loop here. So again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon. Thanks.